What you doing? What you doing?
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Good boy, my boy. Good boy. He can say good boy. Be good boy. Be good boy. Be good boy.
What you doing?
What
Come
you
on.
doing?
What you doing? Come on.
What you doing? What you doing? Hello. That's why sometimes I knows if I cry, Gina, is it you right, mommy?
Really? Wow.
Yeah. 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 If I've been talking to my niece in the Philippines and I cry, you right, mommy?
Why so cute? I don't know.
How you doing? How you doing?
It's so cute.
Very good yun to say, usong, mommy, usong.
Awesome, mommy. Awesome, mommy. Awesome. 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 Awesome, mommy.
I love you, mommy. I love you. I love you.
Dance. Dance.
Dance for mommy. Dance for mommy. Yeah. I can see yun A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah?
I can count 1 to 10. I can count
A,
Tagalog.
B, C, D. I don't know. What's
Hey,
that?
they can whistle the national anthem.
Ano natin? Ano natin?
It doesn't wanna do it like that. I just leave it and later on I keep whistling. Okay, okay. That's enough. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Be good boy. Be good boy.
What you doing? She said.
This one yun, even I go for walk, I put on my shoulder. Come here to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Say, when I do like... Okay, I pick you up later.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Jealous. She's jealous.
You know, just after lunch, I lay her on the floor. And he knows I'm there only. Non-stop. Mommy, hurry up. Because they want to be picked up. Come on, come on. That's enough.
Ay, oh, so
I had a one
cute.
before.
So cute. Ay.
Okay.
I had a cockatiel.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ay, no, no. No, huh?
She doesn't like.
She doesn't like that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Even my son, before he left, they cuddle me. He doesn't like it. You know, that's my mommy. Don't touch my mommy.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Don't touch mommy.
Okay. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, good night. Good night.
I don't know.
What you doing? What you doing?
What?
Yeah. I don't know what I've been doing. You know, June, this one, I touched only this one. I flew away there in Berinda 2 years ago. Only baby. This one. I've been laying in Berinda, it's summer. And I said, it flew away. I got up and pick it up. I said, only baby, what are you doing?
They won't survive in the wild.
Only 2 years old, that one.
So you bought this one?
No, they just come this one. They just flew away. This one, I have license this one. We bought it this one. Where's the girl?
Where's the girl?
Yeah. Put. Yeah, go back now. I get the other one, June. Come here to mommy. Come to
I
mommy.
want.
Come to mommy.
Uh-huh. She doesn't like that, Love. You touching Ate. Hey!
How come I'm still in the cage? Uh-huh.
Fine by myself. Yeah. Yeah.
So beautiful.
Good view.
Showing off.
Yeah. You do like kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. You wanna go back now?
Come on, you count.
Come on.
Count, come on.
Come on, you count. Go back there.
He doesn't want to go there. Nah.
Alright,
Now you
the
can't
other
fly
one.
very fast.
The wings a little bit. Come on, I'll get you, brother. Come on, darling.
So there. So are you a girl? Hey, you a girl? Huh?
I'll tell you.
Oh, you don't know? But tell.
I don't know what to tell you then.
What you doing?
Mind your own business.
Hey, too clear in the good one. You know, when I go to church, I go this way because my father, when I hear the key, I lock the door. I say, bye-bye. I love you, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's enough.
That's enough.
Stop it. This one is really good. He tell me, stop it. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
What you doing?
I came to see you. You're so beautiful.
This one, June, I bring this one. I go for walk because they can't blow away. I put there. Anyway, the woman, she's talking to me for probably 20 minutes. Later on, we said, excuse me, mommy, let's go. The woman said, oh, he wants to go to your bed. He's telling me, excuse me.
Now he's hungry.
Yeah.
Hello, mommy.
See?
Hello, mommy.
Kumusta,
Hello, mommy.
mommy?
Kumusta, mommy?
Kumusta, mami? Kumusta, mami? Kiss, kiss. Cuddles, cuddles, cuddles,
Cuddles?
cuddles.
Hello.
Sometimes, Gina, I said, come on, we play now. Before I go in the shower, we play now. I said, come on, mommy, cuddle.
Very defensive.
Yeah.
She's not happy.
Even they have one towel, Gina. At night time, I put on towel. My two boys will just turning thing. I get the towel.
Hello.
I get the towel, I put the head in the bed.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Come on, you count. Sabihin mo, Ti, mag-count siya.
Come on, count. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Come on. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Come on, Baba.
Come on.
Ayoko.
You see that one? Come on, mommy. Let's go in the car. In the car, mommy. Come on, hurry up. Let's go, mommy. Let's go. Come
Come
on.
on.
Come on.
Come on.
Kiss,
Come on.
kiss.
Let's
Kiss,
go.
kiss. Kiss,
Come
kiss.
on. Let's go. You just give him
Kumusta,
sunflower seeds.
Kumusta, mommy?
Just sunflower. You give him.
Yeah.
Just sunflower.
Sunflower, a little bit carrots, a little bit celery, capsicum. I put early in the morning, and like that, I put seeds already.
Come on, you count. Count.
Wow, that's your children.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige na, mag-count na, be. Count.
We got hips before June when my husband is still alive because my husband, he's in the wheelchair. They look after the birds. They buy and sell. They buy and sell.
Ah.
Yeah.
Come on, you count.
And when he passed away, I just keep these two because I can't look after. Because so many different kind of birds before.
Come on, mommy. Come on.
They're so beautiful.
Kumusta, mami? They says to me, mahal kita, mami.
Come on.
Come on, mahal kita, mami.
Come on. Come on.
Mahal kita, mami. Come on.
Hurry up.
Kumusta,
Hurry up.
mami? This one they whistle happy birthday, that one they whistle national anthem. Did I listen? Eh? Every Friday, I take that one all outside. I bought that one. If already dry, I put back. Cat, they say.
Here's a copy, everything.
Yeah. Put that.
So
Meow.
beautiful.
Are you copying the cat? Huh?
Go on.
Come on.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. Awesome.
Excuse me, mommy. I love you. I love you too.
What you doing?
Miss Ramesh, what are you doing? I think we should go home. What are you doing?
I just keep enjoying this one.
I bring them in the church one time to the kids' story, but I need to bring him here because the kids they want to touch.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Of course.
yeah. After the story, I need to bring him here. Mahal kita, mami. I love you, mommy. You tired now?
Tired from talking too much.
Hello, mommy. Sabi niya, hello, mommy. Sino yun? Ikaw yun? Ha? Ikaw yun?
Yeah, it's really good. I want to say hello, mommy. Because deliberately, sometimes I want to hide because they're a bit annoying. I said, I got headache. I'm going to bed. Hello, mommy. Sometimes I said 1 dozen. I count. Hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. Because I don't answer. Hello, mommy.
What you doing? Ano, ikaw? Anong ginagawa? What you doing?
Hello, mommy.
That was stupid.
Quiet na ka. Ha? Ano?
I don't know, John. All of a sudden, he been saying with will because I can't really whistle properly. And I've been saying with will. Now he's saying with will. Mahal kita, mama. Mahal kita, mama. He's saying this one, mahal kita, mama. Because my son, he said, mahal kita, mama. Mahal kita, mama. I love you, mama. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anong, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. See? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come on.
Okay, they're quiet now. Love you, mommy.
You know, Jen, very easy to learn. When my son is still working in Newlands, after he knock off, they come in my place. Especially when